Hello everyone and welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. In this class, we will be discussing about 10 questions in 10 minutes for the upcoming MH-CET examination. So this actually session will be important for MH-CET and as well as other exams like SLAT. If you are attempting Jamia or any other law interest examination this year, this topic would be important. Now, since in this class actually, you must have seen that in this class, if you just go on YouTube and search it, BYJU'S MH-CET, how to score 30 out of 30. In this class, I have discussed about the strategy of how to score full marks in GK in the upcoming MH-CET examination. So if you go and watch this video, you will get to know that one important topic. If you see the previous year question, of MH-CET, you will realize that one important topic is history section, or one important section is history section, which is actually asked in other exams as well. Okay, so in this history section, they have asked questions from different famous battles, like the most famous one is Battle of Panipat. Okay, similarly Battle of Tarain. I hope you are aware there are 3 battles in Panipat which has happened. Okay, similarly 2 battles in Tarain, that is called as Battle of Tarain 1, Battle of Tarain 2. Okay, so similar to that, they have asked about Battle of Plassey and all. It means for the upcoming MH-CET exam, the history sections and the battles become important. So in this class, I will be talking about Battle of Panipat. So let's start with the first Battle of Panipat. So the first question is, the first Battle of Panipat actually happened in Panipat, which is, where do you find, in which state you will find Panipat? So the answer to this question is Haryana state. Please do not bother. I will be showing in the map that where exactly the Panipat lies. Now, the second question is, in which year the first Battle of Panipat actually happened? So the year is 1526 AD. This is very, very important. Now, why this is important, I will be telling after a few minutes. Now, the third question is, between which 2 people or between which 2 kings this battle actually was fought. So the first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. So Ibrahim Lodi is considered as the last ruler of Lodi dynasty, or you can say Lodi Empire, which was actually a part of Delhi Sultanate. You must be knowing it because this is very, very important. Now the next question is, the battle happened between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi in the year 1526. So who actually won the battle? So the answer to this question is Babur. So actually, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the first Battle of Panipat in the year 1526 and it won the battle. Now, the question is, when Babur won the battle, what was the final result? So the final result was actually Babur established Mughal Empire in India. So that is why I have told you the year 1526 is very important, because this is the year where the first Battle of Panipat happened. And what was the result? So this was the result of that. So the result was that Ibrahim Lodi, the Lodi Empire actually, or the Lodi dynasty, got collapsed, which actually is considered as the end of Delhi Sultanate, and the establishment of Mughal Empire in India. So another question which can be asked is, whom they can give the question, who among the following is the founder of Mughal Empire? So the answer should be Babur. Okay, so this is very, very important. We have discussed first Battle of Panipat. Now I have just told you that Panipat is a place in Haryana state. So let me show you in the map where exactly is Panipat. So if you see it carefully, this is India map. So this is Delhi. If you go north from Delhi, here actually, so this is Delhi, this one is actually Haryana state. This is Haryana state. So if you go north from Delhi, somewhere here actually you will find the place called as Panipat. Okay, so Panipat is actually in the state of Haryana. Please be aware of it. Now, sometimes the question comes in mind. So people ask, sir, why 3 battles happened in Panipat? And the reason is very similar, very simple. Actually, mostly the invaders came from this region. Especially here is somewhere here you will find Khyber Pass. And that is why the first important place, actually just before actually they used to go and attack the capital, because the capital was Delhi. So in most of the cases, actually this was the fertile ground. There were actually the Yamuna river is there and all. So that was the best place for invaders to come and fight. And the defenders used to go from Delhi and they used to fight here. Okay. So that is why Panipat is very, very important. Now, let's talk about the second battle of Panipat as well. So we have discussed about first battle. Now, let's talk about the second battle of Panipat, which again happened in Panipat in Haryana. Now, the question is, this actually happened in which year? So the answer to this question is 1556 AD. So 30 years later. So 1526 first battle, and 30 years later, the second battle of Panipat actually happened. Now, the third question is, the battle happened between which 2 kings? So the answer is Akbar versus Hemu. So Akbar was actually very young at that time. So I hope you are aware. So Babur's son was Humayun. Okay, and Humayun's son was Akbar, right? So actually Humayun actually had not seen very good days in his life, because he had to lose a lot of battles and all. So when Akbar was very young, actually at that time the battle happened between Akbar versus Hemu, and Akbar was actually supported by Bairam Khan in the battle. And so because of, it is said, many historians say it is because of the luck that Akbar won the battle by defeating Hemu, which also was a very powerful king. So just have an idea about it. Now, what is the result of that? So the result was that Akbar ascended the throne of Mughal Empire, and it could easily assert and strengthen its empire after defeating Hemu, and it became the king of Delhi, or you can say king of India. So that is what you should be knowing about the second battle of Panipat. Now, please write in the comment section these 5 answers for the third battle of Panipat. So the third battle of Panipat, please tell me in which year it happened. Write in comment in which year it happened. The first is in which year. Then please tell me which were the 2 people who were fighting actually the third battle of Panipat, who won the battle, and what was the final result. So this is the final result, right? So in the similar case, so please tell me in the comment section about third battle of Panipat, this thing. Okay. So this is all about today's class. But let me tell you one more thing is that Anika Sehgal, she was from our classroom program. She got 18th rank in ALET in 2023. And we are running this course. If you are interested in CLAT 2024, which is going to happen in December, we are running this course. 300 plus recorded videos, 300 plus hours of live classes, 35 plus mock tests will be provided. If you have any query, please call on this number 953-88-95678. And if you want to get a scholarship, then yes, we are providing a scholarship on 22nd January at 11 AM in the morning. We'll be running a test. If you pass the test, you will get actually up to 90% scholarship for this course. Okay. So how to register? There is a link which is given in the description box in the same video. From there, you can actually register for this scholarship, or you can download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app, go to CLAT and Law section, and from there you can register. If you have any query, please feel to call on this number 953-88-95678. So this is all about today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.